The air around us, the earth beneath our feet, plants, animals, and every other stuff you could possibly think of is made of matter. But did you ever wonder what matter is made of? Let us start with something really ancient. Way back in 350 BC, Greek philosophers like Aristotle believed that all matter is made up of four substances: fire, air, earth, and water. Among the Greek philosophers, the classical thinkers, Democritus and Lysippus, who lived about the same time as Aristotle, differed in their opinion about the composition of matter. They questioned the theory of four elements and suggested that all matter is made up of extremely tiny particles called atoms. Democritus and Lysippus viewed the atom as an indivisible particle. This view could not be tested at the time and remained dormant for many years. Similar thoughts were also prevalent among Indian philosophers like Maharishi Kanad and Pakuda Katyamana. They proposed that when matter is divided into smaller and smaller particles, ultimately a stage will be reached when the particles cannot be subdivided further. Maharishi Kanad called these indivisible, tiniest of the tiny particles Anu. He further believed that there is a possibility that Anu may be made of two or more particles called paramanu, or in other words, the ultimate particles that constitute Anu. In fact, it took centuries for scientists to constitute a scientific proof for it. The view of the atom, as given by Democritus and Lysippus, was again revived in the 19th century by scientists like John Dalton. Some observations made by the scientists about the particles are as follows. All matter is made up of very small particles. The particles are invisible to the naked eye and ordinary microscopes. There are spaces between particles of matter. The spaces between the particles are different in solids, liquids, and gases. The particles of matter move. The speed of movement differs in solids, liquids, and gases. Let's take a glance through what we have learned. Matter is made up of numerous small particles. The particles have spaces between them and are continually moving.